shit done. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no plan. This shit gonna go nationwide. Feel it? These are professional people right here. You know what I'm saying? Real spill. Everything they do go nationwide. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Look, she filming right now. You better get ready. She on her job. We gonna go downstairs, all right?
And call the boat guard.
Our name is Royal Swag, and we came up with it because her name is Swag and mine is Lady Royalty. So we kind of like put our names together. I'm 10 and I'm 11. A lot of rap, hip hop, so my neighbor knew them, and she took me over their house. So it kind of like, and then my mom met them.
And she knocked on the door, and I answered the door. I didn't know who it was, and I looked at the window, like just like this. And then my mom was like, "Open the door!" Like open the door like this. And then my mom was like, "Just open the door." So I opened the door.
My neighbor and her mom, they went to school together, so that's how they met.
We hear like prayers, like kind of out there.
Yeah, make our first song.
Michael Jackson. Mola? No. But I can do this and yeah, that's all I know for Michael Jackson basically. He's kind of complicated. So his father is really like him. Get up, jump up, you know I want to see you in the spotlight. On my dance floor, you can feel me dancing. So get up, jump up, dance on, I want to see you. Party and so get up, jump up. So it's kind of good because I was going to get up, jump up. I'm 10. People don't think I'm 10 because I'm taller than I am. And so like they probably think I'm like 13, 14. I'm like, no, I'm just 10. They're like, you sure you're 10? Like, yeah, I'm sure. They're like, what grade you're in? I said 5th. They're like, oh yeah, you're 10. You know, like ever since I was a kid, I wanted to be famous. So when I got famous, I wanted to help a lot of kids with cancer and stuff like that. Instagram, like whatever this thing on the floor is, like instead of like that on the floor, _ swag, SWAG _ gang, GAME _ and Twitter, same thing, Kick, same thing. So basically, everything you find me on is what again? Peace out.